everyone, my name is Vedanti Pandit. I study in Orchid School, Pune, Standard 6 Miss Foreign's class. Today I am going to tell you about Chapter 1 Natural Resources Air, Water and Land. Air, water and land are very important for us to live and they come from nature and so they are called natural resources. Air, water and land are called the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively. All the living things that occupy these three spheres are together called the biosphere. Air. The air around us has nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. The uses of gases in the air. In the air there are various gases. Let me tell you about the uses. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is used by living things to build the necessary proteins. It is also used in the production of ammonia and airtight packing of foodstuffs. Oxygen. Oxygen is needed for respiration and combustion. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used by plants to make their food and in fire extinguishers. Argon. Argon is used in electric light bulbs. Xenon. Xenon is used in flash photography. Helium. Helium is used to obtain low temperature and lift in airships. Neon. Neon is used in decorative lights and for street lighting. The 6 layers of air. In air, there are 6 layers. The first one is atmosphere, the second one is troposphere, the third one is stratosphere, the fourth one is mesosphere, the fifth one is ionosphere, and the sixth and last layer is exosphere. In the troposphere, about 80% of the gases are there. And in the stratosphere, about 19%. Further in the mesosphere and ionosphere, the mass of gases in the air goes on decreasing. Gases are not found in the exosphere and beyond. The ozone layer. The ozone layer is very important. Although it is not directly useful for living on Earth, it is important to have it at a high altitude from the world. This layer of gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Let me show you. So as you see here, here's the sun and here are the ultraviolet rays. This blue layer is the ozone layer, the dark blue layer, and this is the earth. So the ultraviolet rays are getting hit on the ozone layer and the ozone gas is absorbing it. But gases like carbon tetrachloride and chlorofluorocarbons destroy the ozone layer. They are used in refrigerators and air conditioners. Land. On Earth, there is 29% of land. Land is made of soil, stones, sand and big rocks. Have you ever heard of soil erosion? Soil erosion happens when natural disasters happen, like floods and droughts. It can also happen due to human activities such as mining. The layers of soil. As you can see here, there are 5 layers of soil. The first is humus. Humus is formed by the decomposition of plants and animals. After that comes the mature soil. The mature soil is good and holds nutrients for the plant. After the mature soil comes the immature soil. It has soils, microbes, worms and big rocks. Then comes the soil and rocks layer. And lastly, bedrock. So in these 5 layers, did you notice something? At first there weren't many rocks, but as we went down, the proportion of rocks went on increasing and sand decreasing. Soil Soil formation. How is soil formed? Soil is formed by the weathering of bedrock. So first is bedrock that gets weathered by sun, wind, rain, etc. Then when it breaks into really small pieces, in these small pieces microbes, rats and worms are found. It takes about 1,000 years for 2.5 centimeter mature soil to form. Where do we get petrol from? We get petrol, diesel, kerosene, tar, paraffin and wax from fossil fuel. Water. On Earth is 71% water, but most of the water, about 97%, is seawater. After that, 2.7% is ice and groundwater and water in other forms. Only 0.3% water is available for drinking. So it is very important that we conserve water. We use water in our daily purposes like bath, brushing, washing clothes, cooking and so on. If we try to calculate how much water each person uses every day, it would be at least 10 to 20 liters. So according to India's population of 130 crores, if each person starts using water like this, we will soon have to face a drought in the future. So let's stop this before this happens. Let's start saving water. Here are a few ways I'll tell you how we can save water. First of all, do not waste water. Second of all, use water sparingly. Third of all, block water. Let it percolate. These are just a few ways that we can save water. But if we just do these ways, we might be able to stop a huge drought from coming. So, water is life. Thank you everyone for watching this slideshow. I hope you like it.